This is the Bissell Multi-Clean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum with a HEPA-sealed filter. This vacuum has been a lifesaver for me, who has 2 shedding dogs and a partner that's allergic to them. This vacuum is so powerful, and it performs well on messes of all sizes, even big messes like this one where my dogs knocked over my beautiful orchid. Its brush roll has tangle-free technology, so I don't have to worry about all the dog hair clogging it up. It has swivel steering, so it's super easy to maneuver. Its brush roll has tangle-free technology, so I don't have to worry about all the dog hair clogging it up. It has swivel steering, so it's easy to maneuver, and it has LED headlights, so you can see under chairs or tables or any other dark, hard-to-reach places. It has settings for low and high pile carpets, and you also have the option to turn the brush roll off if needed. One of the best parts about this vacuum is its lift-off technology. This feature allows you to detach the vacuum pod and convert it to a portable vacuum that is super lightweight. It's a great feature to use on stairs. It comes with 2 attachments, the Pet Turbo Eraser, which is fantastic for removing pet hair and any other embedded debris that you may have on stairs or couches. It also comes with a 2-in-1 dusting brush and crevice tool that I use to get in between cushions. Both of these attachments store right on the machine. To empty the vacuum, you'll click the release button at the top. This one-touch easy empty tank cleans pet hair up by spooling it inside the canister. Once you open up the canister over the trash, it will fall right out and you never have to get your hands dirty. Underneath where the canisters sit is also the post-motor filter. You'll want to check this every now and then just to ensure that your vacuum is filtering properly. Inside the canister, there's your pre-motor filter. These are washable. You're going to want to clean them periodically. To clean, just run them underwater until you no longer see any dirty water. Then allow them to dry for 24 hours. Do not put them back in the canister if they're still wet, otherwise they'll start to smell. Overall, I'm a huge fan of this vacuum, and I don't have anything negative to say. It's been a fantastic way to reduce my partner's allergy symptoms and an effective way to clean my home of dog hair. I highly recommend.